Welcome back to Quest Factory. Compare the football stars, choose your favorite, and see who gets the higher percentage. Let's begin. Who is faster? Kylian Mbappe, 64%, Lamine Yamal, 36%. Who has better dribbling? Vinicius Jr., 46%. Lamine Yamal, 54%. Who is the better finisher? Harry Kane, 42%. Erling Haaland, 58%. Who has better passing? Pedri, 55%. Jude Bellingham, 45%. Who has better football IQ? Declan Rice, 38%. Rodri, 62%. Who is the better playmaker? Lionel Messi, 57%. Kevin De Bruyne, 43%. Who has the stronger shot? Erling Haaland, 44%. Cristiano Ronaldo, 56%. Who takes better free kicks? Lionel Messi, 61%. Cristiano Ronaldo, 39%. Who is more skillful? Vinicius Jr., 40%. Neymar Jr., 60%. Who is the better young star? Lamine Yamal, 63%. Endrick, 37%. Who has better vision? Bruno Fernandes, 43%. Kevin De Bruyne, 57%. Who is the better captain? Cristiano Ronaldo, 52%. Lionel Messi, 48%. Who is the stronger defender? Ruben Dias, 45%. Virgil van Dijk, 55%. Who is the better goalkeeper? Thibaut Courtois, 58%. Gianluigi Donnarumma, 42%. Who has better long shots? Federico Valverde, 47%. Kevin De Bruyne, 53%. Who is the better penalty taker? Harry Kane, 56%. Robert Lewandowski, 44%. Who delivers better crosses? Akraf Hakimi, 41%. Trent Alexander-Arnold, 59%. Who is the better tackler? Rodri, 54%. Declan Rice, 46%. Who has better ball control? Bernardo Silva, 35%. Lionel Messi, 65%. Who is the more dangerous winger? Vinicius Jr., 51%. Bukayo Saka, 49%. Who has better acceleration? Kylian Mbappe, 60%. Alphonso Davies, 40%. Who is the calmer finisher? Mohamed Salah, 53%. Son Heung-min, 47%. Who is the better all-round midfielder? Jude Bellingham, 48%. Federico Valverde, 52%. Who is the more creative youngster? Florian Wirtz, 54%. Jamal Musiala, 46%. Who has the better left foot? Bukayo Saka, 43%. Lamine Yamal, 57%. Who is better in the air? Erling Haaland, 58%. Victor Osimhen, 42%. Who reads the game better? Lionel Messi, 62%. Luka Modric, 38%. Who has greater aerial power? Cristiano Ronaldo, 61%. Virgil van Dijk, 39%. Who is more clutch in big games? Rodrigo, 45%. Lautaro Martinez, 55%. Who stays calmer under pressure? Cole Palmer, 57%. Harry Kane, 43%. Who has tighter close control? Pedri, 49%. Jamal Musiala, 51%. Who is stronger one-on-one? William Saliba, 55%. Ronald Araujo, 45%. Who is the faster fullback? Achraf Hakimi, 47%. Theo Hernandez, 53%. Who has quicker reflexes? Alisson Becker, 52%. Thibaut Courtois, 48%. Who has better goalkeeper distribution? Ederson, 60%. Marc-Andre Ter Stegen, 40%. Who links midfield and attack better? Antoine Griezmann, 44%. Bruno Fernandes, 56%. Who has cleaner technique? Phil Foden, 53%. Martin Odegaard, 47%. Who is more consistent? Bukayo Saka, 58%. Usman Dembele, 42%. Who is more exciting to watch? Lamine Yamal, 46%. Kylian Mbappe, 54%. Who has the greater football legacy? Lionel Messi, 59%. Zinedine Zidane, 41%. Who will dominate the next era? Kylian Mbappe, 48%. Erling Haaland, 52%. Who controls midfield better? Jude Bellingham, 56%. Pedri, 44%. Who controls the match tempo better? Vitinha, 39%. Rodri, 61%. Who is harder to beat? William Saliba, 42%. Virgil van Dijk, 58%. Who commands the penalty box better? Gianluigi Donnarumma, 54%. Alisson Becker, 46%. Who creates more danger from the wing? Vinicius Jr., 57%. Mohamed Salah, 43%. Who is the better young playmaker? Jamal Musiala, 49%. Florian Wirtz, 51%. Who creates more chances? Lamine Yamal, 45%. Bukayo Saka, 55%. Who is the bigger goal threat? Erling Haaland, 53%. Kylian Mbappe, 47%. Who is the face of the new generation? Jude Bellingham, 44%. Lamine Yamal, 56%.